Mother Nature, everybody loves her, but that lady can be cruel as she can be. Sure, she's pretty with the mountains and the flowers and the trees, but that lady causes misery. Hurricanes, tornadoes, the fires and the floods, problems with the snow, the rain and ice, earthquakes and tsunamis, landslides, avalanches. Mother Nature, sometimes she's not so nice. Now I know she can be pretty, but does she have to be so bad? All the flies and ticks and ants and wasps and bees. And if you're swimming in the ocean, you've got jellyfish and more. So Mother Nature, please do better if you please. But folks love Mother Nature until the times that they don't, 'cause she can irritate and sometimes take your life. So enjoy her while you can, but remember, my friend, sometimes she's good, but sometimes she's not nice. So I'm sorry to complain, but I see reality, and all those bad things that she doesn't sound real good to me. But like most things, there's the good and bad. It's just the way it is, and that's the way that Mother Nature's gonna be. Folks love Mother Nature until the times that they don't, 'cause she can irritate and sometimes take your life. So enjoy her while you can, but remember, my friend, sometimes she's good, but sometimes she's not nice. So I'm sorry to complain, but I see reality, and all the bad things that she doesn't sound real good to me. But like most things, there's the good and bad. It's just the way it is, and that's the way that Mother Nature's gonna be. She can't kill you, but she's pretty as can be.